The Realme GT7 Pro is a flagship smartphone from Realme that was launched in India on November 26, 2024. Here is a summary of its key features and specifications. Display 6.78-inch quad-curved eco-squared OLED plus display. 1.5K resolution, 2780 x 1264 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, LTPO for variable refresh, up to 6500 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus Dolby Vision support, 2600Hz instant touch sampling rate, 2600Hz PWM dimming, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset 3nm process octa-core up to 4.32 GHz, Adreno 830 GPU, up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM with up to 28GB dynamic RAM, up to 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, camera rear triple camera system, 50 megapixel primary sensor Sony IMX906 with OIS, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens Sony IMX882 with 3x optical zoom, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens 112 degree FOV front camera 16 megapixel. Features like AI sketch to image, motion deblur, zoom ultra clarity, underwater mode. Battery and charging 5800 MHz typical or 6500 MHz typical battery. Some sources vary slightly but around 6000 MHz is generally quoted. 120 watt super VWC fast charging. Software Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15. Realme promises 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security updates. Other features IP68 and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with O reality audio, Mars design inspired by a space exploration, 5G SA or NSA Wi-Fi 7 Bluetooth 5.4 NFC, price in India 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage approximately Rs 54,999 to Rs 59,999. 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage approximately Rs 59,998 to Rs 65,999. The phone is positioned as a high-end flagship competing with devices like the iQOO 0013, OnePlus 13 and Xiaomi 15. It focuses on delivering top-tier performance, excellent battery life and advanced AI features.